Welcome back here in this new video tutorial in Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn how to count the distinct or unique values, and here I have two methods for doing this. Both of the method is applicable for the latest Excel version, but if you have the older Excel versions then you have to follow this second method, because in the first method we are going to use the unique function which is not available in the older Excel versions. So first of all, let's learn how to do this by following the first method. Here I have a list of some item name, and the item name are repeating multiple times here. Our requirement here is to count how many unique values are there. So here we can combine the count a plus unique function to find out the distinct or unique values. So here press equal to, then type the count a function, open the bracket, and combine the unique function here, open the bracket. Now here in the array of the unique function, select this range of the items, then close the bracket, close one more bracket for count a. Now press enter, and here you have the result. There are 7 unique values or 7 distinct values. So this is the way of doing this in Excel 365. Now let's look into the second method, which you can do if you have older Excel version. We are going to use sum plus count if function here to find out this. So here in this cell, press equal to, then type the count if function, bracket open. Now in the range of the count if, select the item name range, then give a comma, and in the criteria of the count if, again select this item name range. Now close the bracket. If you press enter here, you will have this result. Here you see this is displaying how many times the item are repeating, and here if you divide this result from 1, go here in the formula, then at the beginning type 1 divided by, then press enter. Now you have this result. Now after dividing the result from 1, the sum of these values for the unique item will be 1. Here if you add this result for the heater only, you will have the result of 1. Similarly for the next item, the sum of the value will be 1. So if we add all these numbers, then we will get how many unique values are here in the list. So now go here in the formula. Before this formula, type the sum function, sum, open the bracket. Now here at the end, close a bracket, then press enter, and here you see now there is 7 unique values. We got the same result here in the second method too. So this is the way of finding out how many distinct or unique values in Excel. And this much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.